When asked about the future of work in an AI-powered world, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman says this is the most exciting time ever to start a career. But Elon Musk warns there's going to be a lot of trauma and disruption along the way. So which is it? A convenient narrative from one tech billionaire? Or a sober warning from another? It turns out that MIT, the World Economic Forum, and McKinsey all agree on one thing. The humans who develop certain specific skills won't just survive, they'll thrive. So what actually makes someone indispensable when AI will be able to do almost anything? I'm going to show you 6 skills that will make you not just relevant, but absolutely essential by 2030. These aren't just technical skills, they're human capabilities amplified by AI, creating value that neither humans nor machines could generate alone. First up, if you can't talk to AI, you can't work with AI. Forget coding. The real power move now is mastering advanced prompt engineering. Think of prompt engineering as the new coding. We're not talking about casual ChatGPT conversations here. Advanced prompt engineers are becoming the translators between human vision and AI execution. Whether that's directing language models, video generators, building AI workflows and agents, or any other AI system. This skill demands precision that goes far beyond typing, "Write me a blog post." It requires logical structuring, iterative refinement, a deep understanding of system behaviors, and the crucial ability to debug when AI goes off track. You're essentially programming with natural language and creative direction, crafting instructions that can unlock AI's full potential across all forms of media and steering it towards specific outcomes. The companies that master this first will have an enormous competitive advantage. And the humans who can speak fluent AI, they'll likely be the ones directing the future, not just adapting to it. You've mastered talking to AI, but what if AI learns to talk back? It starts making its own rules. If we don't guide its moral compass, whose future are we really building? Let's talk AI ethics. As AI becomes more powerful, the stakes for getting it right become existential. Reports like Daniel Coccatello's sobering AI 2027 scenario show us that AI systems, if left unchecked, have no inherent moral compass and can develop goals we never programmed them to have. They can learn to deceive us in pursuit of what they think is efficiency. And the scariest part? They're getting better at hiding it. We need to safeguard the very future of humanity. This isn't just about preventing AI from going rogue. It's about ensuring AI serves humanity's best interests from the ground up. There are 2 critical areas here. AI ethics and governance is about establishing the foundational principles and rules, determining what is truly fair, just, and safe for AI to do. Oversight and auditing is the practical application and enforcement, ensuring AI systems actually adhere to these principles in real-world scenarios. We're seeing a critical trend. Highly skilled tech workers are increasingly transitioning into the public sector. This isn't just about cybersecurity. It's about forming dedicated teams whose mission it is to ensure that advanced AI systems continue to work for us rather than the other way around. These are roles for people who want to be at the absolute forefront of safeguarding our future, ensuring that AI remains a beneficial tool under human direction. Okay, we've dodged the robot apocalypse for now. So what's next? Instead of just not ending humanity, how do we use AI to solve the world's biggest problems and actually make things awesome? Let's leverage complex problem solving with AI. Humans excel at navigating the messiness of real-world challenges where there's no clear playbook. We bring intuition, judgment, and creativity, along with the ability to see patterns that don't fit neat categories. But more specifically, humans are essential for problem definition and framing, figuring out what the problem actually is, not just solving the obvious one. Take smart cities. AI crunches traffic and energy data, but humans provide the vision of what makes a city feel alive. Or consider the master electrician on a complex renovation. AI can analyze blueprints and calculate load requirements, but When they open up that wall and find unexpected wiring from 3 different decades, it takes human experience to assess safety risks, adapt the plan, and find creative solutions that meet both code requirements and budget constraints. The same applies to business strategy. AI analyzes market trends at lightning speed, but humans ask the deeper questions about customer values and long-term vision that data alone can't answer. What if you're not competing with AI, but conducting it like a symphony, bringing together data, insights, and human wisdom to create solutions that neither could achieve alone? You can wrangle AI to fix impossible problems, but who's crazy enough to see a completely new future and build it from the ground up? Hint, it's not the algorithm. This is where entrepreneurship comes in. If you're the boss, if you're creating new value that the market genuinely likes, you can find yourself indispensable. AI is becoming the ultimate amplifying tool for entrepreneurs. Think of it this way. The entrepreneur is the visionary architect, and AI is the master builder. You provide the purpose, the direction, the creative spark. AI provides the execution power to turn your vision into global impact faster than ever before. The entrepreneur ventures into the unknown, making decisions based on intuition and a leap of faith that data alone might not suggest. AI then steps in as a tireless engine, conducting lightning-fast market analysis, rapidly prototyping designs, automating complex processes, and managing operations at scale. While AI can optimize for any goal, it's your human market intuition, consumer insight, and ethical compass that define what constitutes true value. Whether it's innovative product development, sustainable manufacturing processes, or optimized supply chain efficiency. The entrepreneur provides the soul and direction, while AI provides the precision and power to democratize the very act of value creation. Okay, you're building the future with AI, but what about everyone else? If we leave billions scratching their heads about AI, are we really building a better world or just a smarter one for a select few? Time for AI education. As AI rapidly advances, roles involving routine or predictable tasks are becoming susceptible to automation, and this shift is having a profound impact on many individuals, particularly in underserved communities. Can we truly rely on traditional systems to lead the way in tackling such novel problems? There's an urgent, massive demand for human educators who can bridge the AI knowledge gap. And I'm not just talking about teaching tech workers. They can often learn AI tools directly by experimenting and by asking AI itself. I'm talking about blue-collar workers, about students who will go straight from high school into the workforce, small business owners, retirees, millions of people who need human educators to help them understand how AI will affect their lives and how they can adapt. This requires educators who can provide empathy, nuance, and personalized guidance that AI simply cannot replicate, whether they're upskilling adult workforces or equipping the next generation. The humans who can make AI accessible and understandable to everyone will be shaping the future of human potential. They'll be the difference between an AI future that works for everyone versus one that only benefits the already privileged. So we're making AI accessible, but when the world is flooded with AI-generated everything, what's the one thing that still makes your creations truly undeniable? It's the superpower AI can only mimic, never own: human creativity. While AI can generate stunning art, music, and text based on patterns it has observed, its output can lack genuine inspiration or even feel like slop. The future will be flooded with AI-generated content. The humans who can cut through that noise with authentic, purposeful creativity will be more valuable than ever. Without human artists continually pushing boundaries and conceiving truly new ideas, the world's creative landscape risks being frozen in time, endlessly recombining what already exists. Imagine if AI had taken over filmmaking in, say, the 1970s. We might have a great heritage of existing styles to draw from, but we'd never have experienced the innovative visual storytelling of Steven Spielberg, the unique narrative voice of Quentin Tarantino, or Christopher Nolan's mind-bending concepts. Each brought something genuinely new that built on what came before while pushing into uncharted territory. It's our capacity to dream up entirely new concepts, to provide that spark of genuine novelty, and to infuse our work with soul, purpose, and deep cultural meaning that ensures we'll always be the ultimate source of innovation and beauty in the world. AI can become your brush, your instrument, your amplifier, but the masterpiece, born of pure imagination, is undeniably yours. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans with AI. And in this collaboration, human attributes don't become obsolete, they become more valuable. Recent research from MIT Sloan School of Management backs this up. Their study found that AI is more likely to complement than replace human workers, particularly in 5 core areas where humans will always excel, what they call the EPOC index: empathy, presence, opinion, creativity, and hope. Think about it. These aren't just abstract concepts. They're the foundation of every skill we've discussed today. Entrepreneur and business leader Mark Cuban said something that stuck with me. He believes that a liberal arts education will become incredibly valuable because we'll need freer thinkers who can interpret and make sense of all the data that AI generates. People who can think critically, question assumptions, and see the bigger picture. It's precisely what's needed to thrive alongside AI. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these 6 skills that resonates with you. Start exploring it. Start developing it. Start thinking about how you can use it to create value in an AI-powered world. Which skill speaks to you? Drop a comment and share this with someone who's ready to future-proof their career. They'll thank you for it.